All right, I'm going to clear some things up about trust because as I look in the comments, there's a lot of people that like to jump in that think that they know what they're talking about. Now, there's nothing wrong with those people. I'm sure they're trying to help everybody out there. But let me clear something up, you guys. For those of you that truly want to learn this information, not all trusts are created equal. And like I always say, all of you, you're in the monopoly game, okay? The United States is a corporation, all right? They're a business. And what do businesses do? They're in business to make money. And how does the U.S. government make money? By fleecing and stealing taxes from you. How do they do that? They do it through contracts, okay? So when you see people coming into the comments saying that you can't do what I teach, right? I work with a private trust. A private trust doesn't pay taxes. It's got to be the right type of private trust. It doesn't pay taxes. Why? Because it's not a creature of legislature. So when all of you come and jump into the comments and you're like, oh, it avoids probate, or you have to pass the assets on after the trustee dies, you are not talking about the same thing that I am. You're talking about a government trust product. The government has their own trusts. They're called living trusts. As a matter of fact, there's hundreds of different types of trusts that you could go to a lawyer who is certified by the government in the monopoly rules to the game that they created. See, if you want to stay on the monopoly board, go to a lawyer and get a legislative law trust. When the government writes a contract, do you think that it's going to be written to benefit your family? Or do you think it's going to be written to benefit their ability to steal from you? Because that's the